Did you know that we all consume a lot of cookies every day without gaining 1 gram? Indeed. Each time that we use a search engine, we visit a website, or we read an online article, we share information on our preferences and habits that will then be used to suggest us content that we should like. The famous cookies. That's how Internet is giving every consumer the feeling to be unique in his desires. And that's also how the multiplicity of demand is always increasing. Mrs. Pierre tells us how to help bakers meet the different and often opposite customer needs.
The real questions for the bakers is how to translate customers' consumption values or well-being concerns into concrete consumers' goods. This is why we're making day-to-day collaborations our missions in order to offer the most effective, adapted, and creative solutions to support them. These partnerships are leveraging bakers' abilities to customize their own products and diversify their offer through technological know-how to satisfy customers' needs.
Thank you for watching and see you soon to decipher more trends.